Hello YouTube. We're going to perform a load test here today. I'm going to show you how to do that. These are the tools that you're going to need. You're going to need a voltmeter with some clamps so you can clamp onto the battery and read the voltage. You're going to need a stopwatch, and you're going to need a headlight bulb for a load test here with some clamps on it. You charge the battery to 8.1 volts. A good battery runs about 4 minutes. If this battery can pull a load for 4 minutes and doesn't drop below 6.5, I consider the battery a good battery. Okay, so let's start this load test now. So what we're going to do here is we're going to grab the light bulb and we're going to grab the power on the positive side, and we're going to connect the positive side of the light bulb. And then we're going to push start on the timer, and we're going to time how long it takes to drain this battery. And as you see, the voltage dropping here. This battery is looking pretty healthy. 2 minutes, 7.72 volts. Well, 4 minutes here. This load test for this cell is tested good. I would install this cell into the pack, and I would recharge the cell before I put it into the pack. But as you see, with a load test, with it only dropping half a volt, this shows that the battery cell's good. All these batteries already been load tested. I know that they're good. You don't want to put a battery in a pack here. If it's not been load tested, you will be taking the battery apart for a check engine light. Second part to this is, after recharging all the cells and load testing the cells, I test the capacity of each cell with this Toolkit RC smart charger. So I redrain every cell and I find how much the capacity of each cell is, and then that then tells me, after writing on the cell, how much the capacity there is in the cell, and then I make my pack accordingly to the capacity of each cell. But you have to load test, you have to test the capacity of each cell, and then you also have to fully charge each cell twice. I appreciate your time. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.